Welcome to an immersive Hamilton waterfall tour. Welcome to Tiffany Falls. Tiffany Falls, which measures 21 meters tall, is located in the Tiffany Falls Conservation Area. If you look carefully through the forest, you will see a variety of trees surrounding the waterfalls, including sugar maple, American beech, white ash, and black walnut. Tiffany is one of Hamilton's most serene waterfalls. Welcome to Sherman Falls. Sherman Falls is super easy to access, flowing just steps away from a dirt road. At 17 meters high, it's not one of Hamilton's tallest waterfalls, but it is one of the most ascending. As a natural staircase of sorts, this waterfall has a calming beauty. Sherman's Falls can be seen in many variations, as it's known to flow through all seasons. Welcome to Two Falls. It's the tallest waterfall in Hamilton, crashing down from a heavenly 41 meters high. This ribbon waterfall is only a few meters shorter than Niagara Falls, and its presence feels just as grand. The slender falls evoke feelings of mystery as you stand surrounded by the valley. There are stairs that lead you to multiple viewing platforms so that you can absorb the waterfall from different angles. Welcome to Albion Falls. These waterfalls were a natural source of water for all of Hamilton at one point in Canadian history. This waterfall's roaring arc of white water is filled with minerals such as sulfur. Sulfur was extremely important to the growth of the farms surrounding the waterfall and aided in the success of the surrounding town. Welcome to Webster Falls. It is known as Hamilton's most iconic waterfall for the spectacular scenery. The waterfall is 22 meters altogether in a classical curtain plunge style. The falls continue to flow into local Spencer Creek. More than 500 different plant species can be found. Some of the rarer species include ginsberg, yellow mandarin, and red mulberry. Thank you for watching. We hope that you've enjoyed the sights and sounds of Hamilton's waterfalls.